All right, so you've got Sony MDR-7506s, and no matter what you do, this is gonna happen.
No matter what.
The ear cups are gonna start peeling. This black stuff everywhere. It's gonna get in your ears and in your hair and on your desk and in your equipment and stuff and your keyboards. So we love you, Sony. We love the 7506s, but your ear cups
fall apart, bro.
You can see just getting everywhere. There's a solution. Pick this up. GVOEARS. These are replacement ear cups. They make 3 different materials. These are the foam ones. I picked these up for myself. These are my headphones. So we're gonna try these out. We're gonna show you the installation and I will do a demo. I'll put them on my ears and see how they feel and see if there's any sound difference. But so far they look pretty good. And I'm super psyched to not have this black stuff everywhere. So here's what you get. They come in the pouch. It's a zip pouch. And you get the 2 cups. They also give you some wipes to clean up all the surfaces, and then they give you the installation guide. You can pause it. Here's some other models that apparently these will fit. I'll show you one of the cups. So this is the foam. This is like a faux leather here. This is foam. And then this is foam with a sort of hexagonal pattern. Little memory foam. These are not a memory foam. These are just straight foam with that fake leather coating. All right, so to take them off, you pinch this lip and they pull off around the whole edge. Like so, okay? Now, while you're in here, yeah, you can check out your speaker.
And check it out.
And clean everything up with the wipe or whatever you want to use. You can use isopropyl alcohol if you want. So, and I'm gonna take them both off so that all the black stuff is away before I put the new ones on. So again, just pull there and you'll feel it. Just work your way around. Super easy. Goodbye. You got them all cleaned up. Take your new ear cup and you're going to, they're long this way. So you're gonna match that on the headphone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the top in, sort of, and come to the bottom, pull it opposite. So yeah, once you've got it on, you can make sure that it's, perfectly long ways, so you can kind of twist it. You can rotate it and double check that you're all seated. Kind of go left and right, up and down, like this. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one and be right back. It's pretty tough stuff. You don't have to be super gentle with it. There's stretching that you need to do to get these on. Just keep working your way around. You don't need to be scared that you're gonna rip it. It's good. Snap those on, make sure they're lined up, go back and forth a little bit, seat them on. Nice, so much better. I should have done this years ago. Look at that.
Nice.
They do fold up nice and perfect. They fold up the same exact way. Great design. All right, let me get a shot of me wearing them, and I'll tell you how they feel and sound. All right, boys, don't mind my face. It's partly shaved. I just did a video on a shaver, so
Nice, dude.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Let me play something here. Sounds good to me. It sounds the same. I might try the tissue trick. I've never tried that with the 7506s yet, but I might try that. Cut down on the highs a little bit. But they feel, they feel the same. They're not that much thicker. Like, they feel good. And they have the same ear cut out. They might be a little bit bigger, and they're not like pill shaped like this one. Like the stock one is like a real pill shape. These are like more of an oval. As far as like a difference, it doesn't matter. They're nice and soft. I'm super happy. I'll put the link down below. If you've got a pair of these 7506s, like, you're gonna need to do this. So like, just go ahead and do it. Don't let it get to that point. No. It gets in like your gear bags and stuff.
It gets everywhere. Have fun.